Let's get it. We're gonna grab our iconic. Then I grab the plastic bag. This avoids contact with your bare hand. You know, this is just what I do. You ain't gotta do what I do, but I got it in my corner, then I fold, right? YouTube is going on, man. It's nice swag. Welcome back to another video. Today we got a good one. We're going to be moisturizing our waves today. Grab your brushes. We're going to get a full session. I'm going to show you what I do, how I apply my moisturizer, how I lay it in and everything. Obviously for today's video, we are going to be using, as always, HD Waves Unlimited. Iconic. This is moisturizing. Will moisturize your hair. We will start off with a medium by Brush King. Continue with a medium. And then as always, finish off and lay everything down with a soft. And then finalize it with coating down with the plastic bag. We're gonna get it in, ladies and gentlemen. If you're new to the channel and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing down below. It helps the channel grow so much. Let's get it in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we do anything, I want to take my rag off and show you what I'm looking like. That way we'll proceed. Yes, ma'am. So we're gonna grab our iconic. Then I grab the plastic bag. So a tip for everybody, right? I don't use my bare naked hands. Do you know why? Your hands are porous. They're absorbent. Your hands have pores. They will absorb some of the product. So I see a lot of people on the pages or period using like plastic gloves, you know, to keep the moisture away from their hands. So me, I apply using the plastic bag. I'll show you exactly what I do. Grab the moisturizer. Literally, I take like a finger. This avoids contact with your bare hand. You know, this is just what I do. You ain't gotta do what I do, but I got it in my corner, then I fold. Right? See, I broke it all up. Now I broke it all up. It's avoiding contact with my hands. Now I'm gonna take my mirror and watch and just apply. I take the plastic bag and work it around my entire pattern, distributing the product everywhere. See? Now that it's all in my hair, and off the bag. Now let's brush everything in. See, ladies and gentlemen, I take the point as always. Start from the crown and go out. I work the brush around my whole pattern from the crown out. Grab our softie. My fault. Not the softie. The medium. And we'll continue. Look at that. Look at that. Simple mistakes right there, you see? That softie's the last step. I'm sorry. See the crown? I take the point and work straight out, brushing away from my crown. Straight like that, crown out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now that we got everything laid with that, now let's grab the softie. Shout out to BK. Let's get it in. Waving and getting waves is a repetitive action. The same way you brush, you always want to brush. Whichever way you brush, your waves will come into your hair. Y'all see the shine? Y'all see the shine on this? Shout out to HD, bruh. Shout out to HD. If you ain't got you none, hit the site and get you some. That shine is something else, my man. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now that we got that all out of the way, everything's brushed in and laid down. We did the medium, soft, the soft. Now let's grab the plastic bag, lay everything down, and then we'll rag up. Got our plastic bag. Done. See, that helps lay down the waves, ladies and gentlemen. See that? Now let's grab our rag and rag up. So for anybody that does not know how to tie their do-rag or put their do-rag on, I will teach you right now. This is exactly how I do it. Put the do-rag on, bring it right here. Take your do-rag and bring your strings around. Take one string. Open the straps and you want to wrap it around your head just like that. Keep your straps open. You want them to lay down flat. Hold the other string right here while you're doing this. Then take the other string, just like this, directly over the first one. And now you want, see that? Where we were holding. We're gonna move our finger now. Then take this. I do not want to tie it. This is the no knot. Take the string and tuck it. See that? No knot at all. Then pull down. This will add compression to your crown and all the rest of your pattern. Then I take my ties, roll up, and just tie. That is how you tie your do-rag in less than 1 minute. The do-rag is to save your progress that you just made from brushing your hair. It will save your progress. You can always wear it at night. It will keep your pattern laid down. It will mold it. It will hold it. Some tips. If you like that, subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your thoughts down below and let me know how you feel about the video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. If you liked today's video, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing down below. It helps the channel grow so much. I want to thank my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And I want to thank you all for tuning in. Until next video, y'all keep it locked. God bless.